Hola mi gente! What is up? It's me, Gabi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Hollow Week Day 5. We got the ears, we got the leopard shirt. We're doing a leopard look. Let's get into it. Using my Rare Beauty Always an Optimist spray and my Milk Hydro Mist spray, I'm using this to prep my skin. And then going in with my favorite foundation, the Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. I'm in the color Y365 Desert, just in case. But I add about 2 layers of this foundation. And I also just kind of wanted to show you guys how long it actually takes me to blend out foundation. So here I'm having the first layer and I'm adding the second layer now. And it truly takes me like a really long time to blend this out. I feel like my foundation, my base in general, is what I take the longest to kind of perfect. But I think it's worth it. Next, I'm going in with my Collab Cosmetics Radiant Foundation. This is in the color Porcelain, and I'm just using it to highlight certain areas. I do want my face to have a general feline-like kind of look to it, so I'm definitely highlighting specific areas to kind of mimic the coloring of a cat, a cheetah, meow. Again, fast forwarding just to show y'all how long it takes me to blend things out. It takes a while. It takes a while. So if it takes you a while, no worries. Going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm first applying this to where I applied the lighter foundation, and then I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm also adding a bunch to the tippy tip of my nose because I'm going to apply black there later, and I just want to make sure that it's nice and mattified before I go in with any eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm applying some of my MAC Taupe blush as a contour, concentrating that on the temples, the cheekbones, and also on the side of my nose to kind of make my nose a little wider. I'm going in with my Fenty bronzer in Island Ting to almost act as a blush. I'm warming up the cheeks and my forehead with this color. Again, just adding a little bit more dimension for that feline look. Now I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Noir, and I kind of played myself because I'm gonna put my nose on first and I'm gonna look like a deer for a really long time, I feel like. Meow, this is me realizing I kind of played myself, but I'm cleaning up between my lip and nose with some more of the Porcelain foundation. Going to start with the eyes, so we're going in with the MAC Soft Ochre Painterly Paint Pot. Blending that in. And then I'm going in with the Desi X KDX Dose of Colors, going in with Churro first, and just hitting that all along the lid from lash line to the crease and kind of elongating it and making almost a really nice cat eye moment. And then just intensifying the coloring on the side of my nose. Then I'm going in with Cheens. You know how much I love this color. And I'm just pretty much mimicking this same application, but a little bit more precisely. So here I'm using a precise brush just to kind of make the wing, kind of doing the bat wing similar to what I did for Hedwig. And now I'm intensifying the inner portion of the lid, adding more Cheens to the lid itself just to intensify the color and blending out the edges. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Here's just a close-up of me kind of filling in the inner corner of the eye. And then with my Rare Beauty eyeliner, I'm just going to make the tiniest little wing. Now I'm going in with a Suva Beauty Hydra liner in Space Panda, and in this shape, as you can see, I'm just applying 2 layers of the Hydra liner. The Hydra liner is a little tricky just because it is a little temperamental. You know, you got to be consistent with how much water you add to it. Obviously, the more water you add, the more liquidy it is, and the less opaque it is. The less water you add, the quicker it dries also, and the more opaque it is, but it's just a little tricky. I'm going in with the Morphe Picasso palette and just going in with the white to set the Hydra liner. The Hydra liner will set on its own, but I just like to kind of fill out any unevenness with this white eyeshadow too. And now going in with Noir again, I'm just outlining the white triangle just to kind of get that cat-like look. Going in with this Kiko Milano eyeliner and just running that on my waterline, and then smudging my waterline with Noir. Going in with Glossier Boy Brow in black to give my brows a little oomph. And then I'm going in with ColourPop Creme Gel Eyeliner in Swerve to add some kitty touches and to fill up my top lip. Then going in with Bite Beauty Lip Crayon in Red Velvet and applying that to the bottom lip and smudging. Now I'm elongating my top lip to kind of, again, get that feline look. And then I'm adding another layer of the boy brow. Now I'm just adding my spots. So I'm taking my Rare Beauty eyeliner and very haphazardly. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. And you know what? I was just like, I'm just gonna do this haphazardly. And this brush tip is really helpful, honestly, to do this. I don't think I would have been able to do this as easily with any other eyeliner. And I can do the little whiskers super easily. It was pretty helpful. I'm using the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner again just to fill in the spots. Again, this is very haphazard, but so are spots, you know? I'm gonna add a little white to my chin and the bridge of my nose also. And I'm also going to add a lot of white and blend out the white above my lip just to brighten that area. Got a little muddy. And then with the Rare Beauty eyeliner, I'm just adding the little spots again. Now with Bodyography Stellar and my Inglot Duraline, I made a little paste and I just filled in all of the spots, again haphazardly, but this added just like a nice like sheen whenever the light hit it. I'm also adding a thick line of glitter on my lower lash line and hitting the red areas of my lip with this glitter also. Dimension. Now I'm just taking my Glossier Brow Flick and I'm going in on my brows. And before I add falsies, I'm just gonna give my lashes a layer of mascara with the KKW Bible Mascara. Adding a little bit more eyeliner. And adding some falsies. I never do eyelashes only for like costume looks, but it does add something. But once the lashes are on, the look is done, mi gente. This is a cute little cheetah girl, you know? I hope you've been liking these Halloween videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at GoGabbyGabby for some behind the scenes featuring these looks. And yeah, give it a thumbs up, you know? Comment down below, meow, all that jazz. Mwah. Take a breath, drink some water. I believe in you and I'm sending you so much light, paz, and mucho, mucho, mucho amor. Amor. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hasta la próxima.